Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, now for the microprocessor practical, I just want to share the syllabus for that microprocessor practical because until and when you won't complete the theory part, you won't get it, anything. Okay, so I just want to share the that particular syllabus so that you will get it. You have to learn the assembly language for that. Okay, Okay, so you have to do the practical for assembly language. The simple like you have done the code in C, C++ language. Like that, you have to do the assembly language. You have to learn the assembly language. Okay. See, this assembly language is actually it is a very powerful language when you learn the microprocessor because there is only one language. With the help of that language, you can play with the hardware part of your processor. Okay, so today I just want to share that syllabus. Share my screen. Mhm. My screen is visible to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for the practical examination, you have a 25 marks oral and 25 marks term work. Okay. Now see, for the term work, I will give all the instructions just now. You have to follow that instruction throughout the semester. Okay. Now see, whenever I am taking the first unit, I will give the assignment one on that first unit. You have to submit within 1 week only. Okay. I will give the practical write-up for the first assignment and with the whatever the algorithm that you have to implement. So you have to implement the algorithm, write down what you have to do, execute the assembly language code, okay, and you have to submit within 1 week. Okay, that is your term work marks. I will consider your continuous assessment in that. Within the 1 week, you have to send all the whatever. We will create one Google Classroom for microprocessor laboratory, and that to that classroom you have to submit your all assignments. Okay. Now for the oral, you have an external oral that is the oral examination. For that, whatever you have learned about the theory plus practical, that will be asked for your microprocessor laboratory. Okay. Now, whenever you learn the microprocessor laboratory, am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you have to learn the microprocessor laboratory, you should know the instruction set of microprocessor. Okay, instruction set, madam. What is the instruction set? Instructions, that is the set of instructions which is given by your intel or by your researcher. That instruction set, with the help of that instruction, you have to implement some algorithm and you have to write the program for that. Okay, so there are so many kind of instructions are there. Like for example, you have in C, C++. You see, you have like printed. Then there is some particular pattern is there. Similarly, in assembly language, they have given some pattern. Okay, that is, you should know the directive instructions. You should know the protected mode instructions. All these things. So get it some idea about that instructions. Okay, but because it is not possible for me to take every instructions. There is it is a set of instructions set is very big. Okay, those instructions which is very important, that I will take it. You don't worry about that. Okay, so that you have to write it. Okay, now the see here you have to use the assembly language program. Okay, now I think you know the decimal number system. That is all the number system you should know. Hexadecimal, then binary, then you have the BCD number system. You should know all these systems before going for the practical. Okay, there is a total I think 15 assignments are there. Okay, there is a total 15 assignments are there. We will do only 10, 12, 10, 11 to 10 to 11 assignments. We will do the 10 to 11 assignments for that. Okay, I will select one of the assignment which cover all the instruction set. Not all activities. I'm not. I don't want to say all, but which is instruction those who are very important. That instruction set I will cover in that particular assignment. Okay, so that you have to follow that instruction set. How you have to learn that instruction set. Now, how you are doing in C language or in Python, you have learned already the Python. Am I right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So, like the Python, you have learned different instruction sets. Similarly, here you have to learn some assembly language programming code. How to write the assembly language program. Okay, for 386, for the Pentium or whatever. Okay, we are going for the 386 assembly language programming, and we are going through the only the instruction set of 386 microprocessor. Okay, now in this practical you have to you have to implement a different algorithm, like accept the string, then display the length of the string, that is you have to calculate the length of the string, then you have to accept, I think you know the array concept very well. That means there is a data structure that you have to use in these assignments. Okay, so that data structure, that is a link, you have the array is there, some link is there, some structure is there, that you have to use it. Even the some number system you have to use it. Okay, even you have to learn the some protected mode instructions that we have to learn in 386 microprocessor. This is very important feature of 386 microprocessor, that it works in a protected mode. Okay, so that you have to learn it. Now next is like that we will select some 10 to 12 assignments among this, and I will do the write-up for that, but you have to implement the program and you have to show me whenever I am I will give some 10 people, they have to do this program, some 10 people they have to do this program, some 10 people they have to do this program. Okay, I will explain you algorithm and all these things, but you have to implement using the instruction. Even the instruction set also explained by me. Okay, those who the important instructions that will explain. Move, and that is not so important. Okay, that is very simple instruction that will not explain by me. Okay, so I will. You can make your group and just implement that assignment. Okay, with the communication with each other. Even online you can do the communication. Okay, that I will tell you how to make the group and all this thing, that I will tell you afterwards. Okay, now in this practical assignment, in this you have to implement like the some string, you have to learn about the some how to calculate the length. Now I think you know the OS command, type command, copy command, that thing that you should know that how it works. That suppose for the copy command what it will do, it will copy from one file to the another file. So that command you have to implement using the assembly language program. Okay, so this is, I just want to today give the introduction about this practical microprocessor practical. Okay, and for this you have to use the Turley book. That's all, because the instruction sets are given in Turley book. Even there is a one book is there. Just wait. Peter Abel. The name of the author is Peter Abel. That is only for the assembly language program. But in that book they have included the 86 instruction set. Okay, they haven't included the 386, but the function of that particular instructions is one and the same. Because whenever the microprocessor, see, आदमी के लिए क्या रहता है सिर्फ वो See, I will give a simple example to you for this particular subject. See, there are so many people are there. Okay, every people having the two legs, two hands, one nose, one mouth, two eyes, and something like that. These are the common things. Okay, but there are some people only what are the changes in that? Just their height may be less, or somebody having the height is very big. Okay, the looking smartness, the look is different for every people. Similarly, here for the assembly language programming, you have the instruction set for 8044, even sorry, 80286386 is one and the same. Only some if the mode changes in 386 microprocessor, that is, it operates in the 3-mode protected mode. So, protected mode instructions are included in this. Okay, that we will see one by one. So, this is regarding your practical of microprocessor. Okay, there is a one assignment, that is the study of motherboard. That also I will do the writer. Okay. Now I just want to tell you, there is a one NPTEL course is going on. Okay, for the microprocessor. So everybody should attend that course. I will send the link to you. That I will share that link to one person. They have to attend that workshop. Okay. You will get the knowledge about the microprocessor, and the subject gets very easy when you learn from me and others. Means there's some course you will do it. Okay, so have you got it? What you have to do in your practical exam? Practical? Yes or no? Have you understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will just, because whenever we are not some part of the theory we will not complete it, we can't start the practical. Okay, so you can, I will start the practical, but I think you have the SPQ exam is also there. Okay, so just do the practice for your first sem subject also for that. Okay, so I will stop here for the practical, and whatever the information regarding the practical I have already told you. Okay, so I will stop here. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can study very hard because your SPQ exam is on 8th March. Okay, for that we are taking the NCM examination for your practice also. So please attend all the NCM examinations also. Okay, I think there is no doubt, so I will stop here.